Hi everyone, today we're going to see how to find healthcare services within the Multicare medical network. So first of all, you're going to want to search rede, medica, Multicare on Google and click on this link. You'll arrive on that page. So first you're going to search for the type of services that you want. So here, a consultation. And then you're going to choose your service. So you have a whole list, and here for example we'll take general surgery. And then you search your location. So here for example we'll take Lisboa, and you click on search. So the results will appear like that. First you'll have the option to log in, but it's not necessary. So on the left you'll have the list of results with their phone number, their email address and their addresses, and on the right you'll have a map to locate yourself with the results. And that's it. We hope that tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.